Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 16, 2015, and today is Tuesday. So looking at the economic calendar today, we have a 10:30 GBP number, CPI number. It's a yearly number. Should have some impact on the markets on the GBP. And then at 11 a.m. we have the Euro number, German ZWE economic sentiment number. And at 2:30 this afternoon, South African time, of course, that's US dollar building permits. Not sure if that's going to shake or break the markets at this stage. But looking at the markets yesterday, really a very quiet day yesterday altogether. Not much going on. We're in a tight range here. We sold off just like 10 pips or something like that yesterday. There's really not much going on. If you look at a 30-minute chart, you'll see what I'm talking about. Really not much going on here altogether. But we are in the top of this range. We've hit this 1278 level, 1286 level, and we haven't really broke up higher. Okay, so I just keep an eye on this for now. If you are in new positions in the euro, just keep it light, okay? Because on the euro right now, things are a little bit quiet from yesterday. Looking at the GBP USD, a little bit more action. We rallied back to 156. From 152. This was a beautiful spot to really pick this up right here at 152, and now we're rallying right back. So we broke this upper level at 155, and now we're challenging, this 156 level on the upside. So let's look at today. Let's see what happens with this number that's coming out of GBP. This number, the CPI number. Let us know if inflation is in check with the British pound, and it'll let us know, if it's going to continue rallying. We're going to see this coming back to 157. Should be kind of interesting. On the whole, I think the GBP will be turning around soon. Looking at the Dow Jones, this is a better picture of it on a daily chart. We sold off 100 points yesterday. It's summer trading, okay, so we're going to be trading within this range. Perhaps it's a good place to actually pick this up right now at 17,770. Might be a good place on the lower end to start picking it up because, honestly, looking at, some of the charts here, we haven't been here since June 9th, okay, and we challenged this upper handle. It's summer trading, so it's really hard to read into this altogether. This double bottom right here. The question is whether or not we're going to challenge this. We're going to bounce right off of this. So again, I have to keep this in check and see where it's going to go. And in fact, actually, we could update this right now. If you haven't ever seen this before, basically this gives you the opportunity to update the Dow Jones to September contract. And here we go. You can do this just by dragging it and dropping it. So that's a better graph for it. The previous one is in June, and it should be expiring sometime already. So we're at 17,686. Note the discrepancy between the previous chart and this chart. The last one was 770. But in any event, this is where we're at. We're at the bottom of this range right here. So the question is that whether or not we're going to bounce this off right here at 17,654-ish level to come back to something in the 18,000 or high 17,000 level. Let's keep an eye on it, because if it does break this 17,445, this area, then I think we're then going to break down for the year. So 17,500 is a major number for this. So keep an eye on it. Looking at oil here, oil also just popped up a couple points yesterday. Nothing major, okay, but it did pop up. As you can see here several times, every time we challenge the bottom handle of it, we bounce right back. In this stage, we didn't even hit 58.62, so it could have been kind of hard to pick this up. Looking at gold right here, gold also flatlining, not doing much. If you it's in a very tight range here, okay, between 1171 and 1183. So it's a little bit hard to really see what's going on in these and the gold. I would wait for some sort of confirmation in the markets for a trend and then jump in it. And right now, all in all, there are a few, but there are small moves that you can take. So if it's a scalping market right now. So if you're looking for one of those bigger moves, the 200 to 100 pip moves, I think that's going to be a little bit harder, but you've got to be very selective about your symbols with which you're trading in order to do that. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading, and I want to wish you guys a great trading day.